Hi, I'm Dr. Gaetano Morello. I'm a practicing naturopathic physician. I practice at BC Women's Hospital in Vancouver, British Columbia. I also have a private practice in West Vancouver and a graduate at Bastyr University. For the past 22 years, I've been practicing medicine, and one of my main focuses, because one of the chief complaints that you see in private practice is pain. I see the same thing at the hospital. We treat complex chronic diseases like fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue. A lot of these conditions actually have a pain component to them. So what is the number one thing everybody comes in for? Can you reduce my pain? And when we look at pain, we're talking about myalgias, muscle pain. We're talking about arthralgias. These are pains in the joints. And neuralgias. These are pains associated with the nervous system. And so when we look at all these conditions, an enormous amount of drugs out there that have many, many side effects. We know the non-steroidal anti-inflammatories that work very, very well short-term, but not long-term. And now we have a serious problem with opiates out there for pain control that are very, very addictive, and we have a lot of consequential effects because of them. As a matter of fact, the Medical Association is trying to really follow physicians not to really utilize opiates because of the long-term consequences of these drugs. There's a product that I have been using for many, many years called Curamin. It's a very famous product. If you look it up on the web, you'll see a lot of information on Curcumin. It's won many, many awards, over a dozen awards in the United States alone for its effectiveness on pain. And I've used this extensively with patients. And I have to tell you that the outcomes are surprisingly positive. And I mean surprisingly because a lot of these conditions, when people have pain, they're hard to control. And Curcumin is a remarkable product. It's a combination of BCM95, boswellia, and something called DLPA. All these components together have a synergistic effect on reducing pain in the body. One of the things I tell my patients is this, and I can quote you on this, is take 4 capsules of Curcumin at one time, right now. Get this bottle right now, I'm gonna give it to you. Please take 4 capsules. As you're driving home, when you get home, call me and let me know how you did. And most of these patients, within a couple of hours, they find a reduction in pain. That's how fast it actually works. I wouldn't be saying this if I haven't seen it enough times, and I do. This is a phenomenal product for any type of pain. When you are suffering from pain, Curcumin is really the to-go product for these types of conditions. It's a wonderfully effective product, no side effects. And curcumin has been studied, over 5,000 studies with this ingredient. It probably is one of the most powerful intrinsic compounds that we have in nature. It affects so many different sites in the body. Pain and inflammation are just one. It affects other systems as well, the gastrointestinal tract, all sorts of different things, systems you can get benefit from taking this product. So when you're suffering from pain, the real to-go product is Curcumin.